I'm taking one of my followers out for lunch with us. She won the VOLVO giveaway competition where she had to guess what car I was going to get. So today is the day we're actually taking her out for lunch. I'm so excited. Right? Look at her outfit vibes. Oh, I'm missing a belt, but
I've got my blouse, but it's okay.
Yay! Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm starved.
I'm hungry. Friday for any Afrikaans guy, I guess. What a day.
What a day now.
I think this is actually the first time I'm using this umbrella since I bought it more than a year ago. What a gentleman. Thanks, husband.
Pleasure.
Look at these two beauties. This is Ariska. And this is Ruan. And we're going for lovely lunch. Are you guys hungry? Yes. She was, I'm so hungry. You didn't eat breakfast, so you obviously prepared for this. And you guys? What are you?
Beer.
Oh yeah, the beer guys. Good old beer. They haven't had enough food to eat. And we are literally at Texan Wing Bar now because they're gonna have some deboned wings, which is crazy. But we might like have one or two.
Yeah, I'll have a change one.
Oh, nee, dat was zo lekker met haar woord. En dankie vir al jou support. Dis toch so moeilik om die mooi gesig nie. Kijk nie mooi gesig. Ek kan verstaan iets so lekker. Waar dit gaan, hè? Very nice people.
Hey!
This was so much fun. I mean, we only had to go for dinner, for lunch, and then go home. But we ended up like spending almost 5 hours together.
Ja, het was goed, hè?
That was so much fun.
Ruan, jy's 'n quality guy.
Net daai.
Jy moet sê, Ariska, you're a quality girl. Ek kan nie sê sy's 'n quality girl nie. She's married and I'm married. Ariska, Ruan, julle is awesome.
Julle is amazing. Dankie dat julle die dag saam ons spandeer het. It was so much fun, and once again, thank you so much to VOLVO, who who basically paid for our bill today. Hopefully we can do something like this again soon.
Thank you, VOLVO.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.